Magic happens when your hands move to make something. That can be knitting, it can be building, it can be coloring on pages especially made for writers and creatives. This, for example, comes with the mini coloring book that you are about to download. This is an affirmation. My writing ideas come quickly and easily. And I actually drew on this last night. Let me tell you, it was incredible, the peace that I felt through the coloring process. It's not the most brilliant coloring you've ever seen, and yet what it did to my mind made it all worth it. It calmed me down, it brought me centered, and it reinforced in my subconscious mind that writing ideas come quickly and easily. In the coloring book, we include quotes and writing prompts. This is an example of what that kind of page would look like. I colored a little bit, and then I can start writing right here, or I can write in my notebook or my journal. We also have pages with beautiful mandala-like images for you to color, flowers for you to color. And what all of these do is they wake up the words that are underneath the surface, that are bubbling there, waiting for you to discover them, because magic happens when you move your hand across the page. I'm so grateful you're downloading the mini coloring book, and I look forward to hearing how it helps you with your writing and creativity.